Hey everybody, it is me, Godzilla Productions TV here for a big, for a big unboxing video and with another great surprise. Yes, I have something amazing to show you. I found my table. Alright, so let's get the box in the picture. Ooh. It's a nice box, nice big box, so I'm definitely holding these things right, like no flaws in the way I'm holding them. So good at this. You'd think I'd be doing this long enough to know what I'm doing, right? Wrong. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. This is a lot. Alright. So you may know that the Ultraman RB show is only available in Asia, which is really unfortunate. But to keep us entertained and satisfied, since we can't watch the shows, how about a big thing of toys? That's nice. I like toys. Oh yeah, look at all these things. This is a whole lot of these things. And what's this? What's this? Happy Halloween from Hobby Link Japan. What is it? Thank you for sharing your hobby life with us. Okay. It's pretty cool. But I'm not going to overreact like I did with that nice little note from my data thing. So, let's start off with non-Ultraman RB stuff. We got Ultraman G'd, Ultimate Final, very original and clever name there. But yeah, I ordered this in April and it's coming in November. Nice, Hobby Link. Well, that's not good. So we'll just lay him down there. Let's see. Next we'll start with my favorite Ultraman RB Ultra Hero, Ultraman Rube. Yeah, that's right. And don't forget how they misspelled this on eBay, if you know what I mean. Wink, wink. Next we have, oh wow. Alright, next we have Ultraman Rosso Ground. Yes, I like this guy. So, this package said that it'll come in 10 to 30 days. And this is the 30th day. Here we have Ultraman Blue Ground. Next we have Ouroboros, my favorite monster from Ultraman RB. I guess he'll stand up. Put him there. There we go. And now for the big thing. Really nailed that cutting there. Alright. Oh shoot, they all fell off. Oh well. So here we have Garugio King. I guess you could say it's not one of my favorites, but I liked it. I liked his Hey, who else here who has seen the clips and the stuff you can see on Drama Cool? Who here misses Eisen? Because I sure do. we have Gargorgon. So there's one good thing coming out about all these figures being small. They're really affordable for me. Here we have Gubasa. And finally, we have the classic Garugio Bone. So, on YouTube, people were complaining about the paint job, and I said, actually, it looks pretty nice. Now, having it in person, I completely agree with them. It's not that good at all. I mean, it's okay, but not that good. So, I'm going to put this Happy Halloween thing under them all, or over here. Gubasa and Grugio on it. Ooh. It's probably, I guess, worth the wait for all of them. I'll definitely try and keep my word of saying that I'm going to make a review of them, or some of them soon. I'll try and keep my word for that, but no promises are able to be made like last time, which I failed last time too. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Godzilla Productions TV signing off.